Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. October 9, paper 4, question number 6. Topic is the Newton law. Okay. So let's see. Mass 0.55 into 10 becomes 5.5 newtons. Into 10 becomes 4.5 newtons. Tension towards pulley. So now what is the situation? Is a heavy particle, it will go down, it will go up. So let's try to solve, and I can see here. So what's the formula we have because for P, net force equal to MA is going downwards. So 5.5, this force minus tension equal to MA. Now for Q, it is going upward. So start from T minus 4.5 equal to MA. So 0.45 A. Tension cancel from here. If I leave, I got a 1, and here I got a 1 even, and I got the answer 1 meter per second square. First part is clear. So 3 marks gained. Up till now, he says string breaks after 2 seconds. P and Q vertically under gravity. So at an instant when string breaks, what a height above the ground by P and Q and speed of both particles. So situation is what? I'll just make idea here. Okay, when a system breaks, okay, situation is P is, you can say the height is 5 meters. So 5 meters. So P is coming down, so P is somewhere here when string breaks, and Q is reached somewhere here. Okay, there's a P and there's a Q. So string breaks at this moment. Okay. So when string breaks, naturally they are moving with the acceleration same. So let's talk about for P. So I say for P. Okay, U0 and acceleration is 1. And when string breaks, time is 2 seconds. 2 seconds, the time is 2 seconds. So I want to find S, 2 things on my target. S also, and I want to find the time as well, okay? I want to find let me see, time is required, speed is required. Okay, let's see then what is required later on. So how to find the distance by P? So you know that S is equal to UT plus half AD square. Your time is given already, so actually. So U0 and 1 and time is 2 square. So we got S becomes 2 meters. It means it will travel 2 meters downwards. So height of the P particle, we can say height of the P particle is from 5 to gone. So it means 3 meters height. Similarly, I can go for the Q also. So for Q, what is situation? So okay, let me find what is the speed of P is. But we need to find speed also. So not a hard job. V equal to U plus AT. U is 0 and acceleration is 1 and time is 2. So velocity is 2 meter per second of the particle P. So we got the first answer is here and second answer is here. We can say clear. Similarly, I will go for the Q. Q is not a hard because it is already 5 meter height and 2 more. So you can say the height of Q is 5 plus 2, so 7 meters. So these are very, very simple. And velocity, what velocity? P particle, same velocity Q, because they are connected. So I can say that what velocity of Q is also 2 meter per second. So I think so we have finished I part here, this I part. And part number 2 is completed here. And part 2, A and B. So both are done here, A also, and we can say B here, okay, all together. Hardest part is here, show Q reach the ground 0.8 second later, okay, 0.8 second later than P. So can I do one thing, make a plan, find the time by P, find the time by Q, and subtract them. Okay, repeat again. How much time will P will reach the ground, find that time. And for Q find. So let's start. So part number 3 start from here. So let's talk about the P particle. So P particle, let's talk about P. So it will move in two parts. Okay. First, when string not breaks, and after when string breaks. So when string break, okay, look away. This is a p particle. At here, string breaks. Okay. So you know that starting from here and reaching the ground. Okay. So reaching the ground. So this is what is the actually speed of p is what 2. So from here to here. At this moment, time is 2. Last speed is 2. And that 2 becomes initial speed for the next stage. Repeat again. So here speed is 0. Coming down and coming down speed at this moment, what? 2. So for this motion speed, last speed is 2. And for this motion, that 2 become starting speed, initial speed. So I will count this as a u. So u is equal to 2. And falling freely under gravity, this one. This acceleration 1, no more use. Why so? When string breaks, it will fall freely. Okay, so gravity is plus 10 and distance remaining to travel. Because we know height of the particle is a 3. So it will travel further 3 meters. Because these are 2 meters and these are 3 meters. So it will fall how much? 3 meters downwards. So let's find time. So S is equal to ut plus half AD square or GD square. So S is 3, U is 2, time is a question. Gravity plus 10 times square. So 3 equal to 2t plus 5t square. So 5t square plus 2t minus 3 equal to 0. So let's find here. So 5 3 is 15. So 5t square plus 5t and minus 3t and minus 3. So 5t common, I got t plus 1, and 3 common, I got t plus 1. And I am getting here 3t minus 3 equal to 0. There's a 5 actually. Okay. I got minus 1 and I got 3 by 5. So I got a 0.6. So it means this ignore. Why ignore? Because not possible negative. Now this P is over. Let's talk about Q now. For Q. Okay. Q will move in 2 steps. How Q will move in 2 steps? First, it is when string breaks. It will not stop here. It will go slightly up. Okay? String breaks at this level. Slightly up, stop, and then fall down. Clear? Because when string breaks at this level, it will not stop same time due to inertia. So I will make an idea behind. So look please attentively now here. Okay. So I make a plan for Q. For Q, first of all, this is a ground level. First, it is a traveling here. String breaks here, slightly up. Okay, string breaks here. Okay, this is called last speed is 0 here. This is a motion due to inertia. This is a motion like free fall upward. Free fall upwards. Okay, so last speed is confirmed 0. This u, this speed is a 2. So when it reach here, what speed is 2? Final speed becomes initial speed here. U is 2 now for this motion. And what is the gravity going upward? Negatively. So I want to find here 2 things. I want to find S as well, and I want to find T as well. Okay. So let's see how we can find. Wait a minute. Okay. So let's find S and T. So first of all, 2as equal to v square minus u square. 2 times 2 negative 10. S is my question. Large speed 0. U is 2 square. So that becomes minus 4 by minus 20. And I get here 4 by 20. It becomes 0.2 meters. So maximum height from ground is 2 meter and this. So maximum height is what? So 5 plus 2 plus 0.2. So what is 7.2 meters height. And time we can find. What is the time here? So V equal to U plus AT or GT. V is 0, U is 2, time is negative 10, and time becomes a 0.2 second for this part. Okay. So now falling down, because it will fall down. So while fall down, U is 0, time is my target, and S is a 7.2 meters, gravity plus 10. So S is equal to UT plus half AT square. S is 7.2, U 0, and half times to 10 into T square. And it is here 0 and 5. So 7.2 by 5 and take the root, it